Everyone likes a desk setup that fits perfectly for them in every aspect. And 2026 में I've been spending a lot of time in building my own dream desk setup. और आज इस वीडियो में I'll share with you 5 of my desk upgrades that I'm very glad I made. This video is not sponsored by any means, तो इन सारी चीजों का affiliate link तुम्हें नीचे description में मिल जाएगा. The very first thing I want to share is my desk mat from Daily Objects. अब मेरे पास already एक बड़ा और अच्छा desk mat था जो तुमने मेरे previous videos में देखा होगा, बट उसमें बहुत सारे स्क्रैचेस आ गए थे एंड मुझे ऐसा भी लगता था कि ये अननेसेसरीली बहुत बड़ा डेस्क मैट है. सो आई रिप्लेस्ड इट विद दिस स्मॉल रिवर्सिबल डेस्क मैट फॉर वन रीजन, व्हिच इज द फेल्ट साइड ऑफ दिस डेस्क मैट. लेदर डेस्क मैट अच्छे होते हैं, बट फेल्ट डेस्क मैट यूज करने के बाद आई रियलाइज कि इस पे मेरा माउस ज्यादा बेटर ग्लाइड करता है कंपेयर टू द लेदर साइड, जिससे तुम्हें कोई एक्सपेंसिव बेटर ग्लाइडिंग माउस लेने का भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ता. एंड अगेन क्योंकि ये डेस्क मैट रिवर्सिबल है, तो आई कैन यूज एनी साइड ऑफ दिस मैट अकॉर्डिंग टू माई मूड. अब इस डेस्क मैट पे आता है मेरा कीबोर्ड, which is Creo Swarm 65, and as the name suggests, it's a 65% layout mechanical keyboard जिसका मुझे बहुत टाइम से मन था लेने का. This 65% layout fits perfect for me, and इसका typing experience is way better for the price I paid for it. I've recently made a video on this keyboard comparing it with a slightly higher budget mechanical keyboard. You can watch that video if you want a detailed review for this. The keys on this keyboard is very tactile and clicky. Plus इस कीबोर्ड में एक dedicated वॉल्यूम नॉब भी मिलता है, which comes very handy in day-to-day usage. साथ ही it comes with 3 different connectivity modes, which is Bluetooth, wired and with a 2.4 GHz dongle. मैं इसे इसके dongle पे ही यूज करता हूँ, which is I think is always the fastest and the easiest way to connect it to your PC or laptop. My next best purchase is my mouse, which is Asus M102D, and trust me, having a 5 keys mouse is for real a blessing. I have added different shortcuts for the extra keys, like for example, while browsing, rather than going all the way to the top and then going back of the page, I simply press button 4 and I go back. Also, if I hold the button 4 and scroll down, I can access the launch pad, and if I hold the button 4 and slide my mouse up, I can access the mission control. Easy. Basically, मैंने इसमें अपने trackpad के सारे gestures shortcuts में add कर दिए हैं, which makes it very convenient to use. And this is my second Asus mouse. इसके पहले मेरे पास Asus Marshmallow था, जिसका look and feel was too good. इसीलिए I went for an Asus mouse again. So Asus, if you are watching this video, you can sponsor me. Now अपने entire desk को light up करने के लिए I use this monitor light bar by Quintus. क्योंकि as you can see मेरे desk के आसपास कोई भी lights नहीं है and I don't use ceiling lights at all. Plus ये मेरे desk setup को एक अच्छा aesthetic look देता है, which is what I wanted. Now this light bar is not only for aesthetics. This light bar sits right on top of my monitor and focuses light directly onto my desk, जिससे for real while working आंखों पे ज्यादा stress नहीं पड़ता. You just need to adjust this light bar at a right position, and इसका एक single LED भी मुझे irritate नहीं करता. The light is very soothing, and you can also adjust the brightness and temperature of this light bar using this small controller. Plus इसमें backlight भी है for some extra brightness around my desk, जिससे अगर मुझे main light use नहीं करना तो I can turn it off and use the backlight only. This is the best thing I've added to my desk setup. नहीं तो मुझे हमेशा एक लैंप रखना पड़ता था जिसका लाइट काफी ज्यादा irregular था. And lastly, I use this dock stand for my MacBook Air M1. Now इसका function कुछ भी नहीं है. This is just for aesthetics. It makes my desk look more clean and organized. अब मैं already एक monitor use करता हूँ अपने desk पे, and मेरे MacBook का 13.3 inches का display है, which is yes very small. तो मैं dual display setup use करता ही नहीं. इसीलिए I use this dock stand to use my MacBook in clamshell mode. इस dock stand में 2 sections हैं, तो इस narrow वाले section में I keep my MacBook, and इस wide वाले section में I hide all my USB hubs and wires. Everything fits smoothly in this wide section, and none of the cables and USB hubs are visible. So my MacBook sits at the corner of the desk and makes the entire setup look clean. So these were the upgrades जो मैंने currently अपने desk setup पे किया है. I'll keep adding or changing more things in the coming future, and जो भी changes मैं अपने desk setup पे करूँगा, I'll keep making videos on it, ताकि तुम्हें भी अगर अपने desk setup में कोई changes करना हो, you can get some ideas. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.